Welcome to ZKTeco India official YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how to connect the ZKTeco EM lock with IN02A basic attendance device and no touch button for the access purpose. So for this now I am explaining how to do the connection between these. You can see here from the ZKTeco EM lock, negative should be connected with the power supply 12 volt power supply negative, and positive should be connected with the IN02A device NC. From the device COM should be connected with the 12 volt power supply positive, and we are using no touch button for the exit purpose. So from the no touch button, NO should be connected with the button in the IN02 device, and COM should be connected with the ground, and this button requires 12 volt power supply. So for that I have given the external power supply. For that we should connect the 12 volt positive to the positive, and ground should be connected with the negative. This here will do the connection. You can see here I am using the IN02A device for the in purpose, and no touch button exit button for the out purpose. I have already registered one user in the IN02A through card. I am doing punch through card for the in purpose. Verification successful, EM lock opened. You can see the indicator also. It will close after 5 seconds. It will close, and now I am using the exit button for the out purpose. Verification successful, EM lock again open. It will close after 5 seconds. This is how we will connect the ZKTeco EM lock with IN02A device and exit button for the access purpose. Thank you.